Julie Carson from the Woodland Academy Trust, and I'm going to talk to you about my 5 top tips to do with teaching, not tools. So, first of all, top tip number 1 is use AI to support and extend human thinking, not replace it. So AI should remove any of the friction in the classroom. It is not about creating complexity. It should be that it frees teachers to spend more time modelling, supporting particular pupils and building those relationships that only humans can do. Top tip number 2 is always use AI to make sure it enhances pedagogy, not distract from it. Start with the learning intention or the learning objective and the barrier to learning, and use the AI to remove that to support that pedagogical approach. So top tip number 3 is adopt AI deliberately, not quickly. Absolutely learn about it quickly, but when you're planning how to use it, you need to be asking yourself those strategic questions. Is it showing bias? Is it an ethical use? Does it fit with our vision and our values? Is it supporting school improvement or distracting from it? If it's not doing any of those, then you just need to scrap it. Top tip number 4 is always start small and then scale. So we always have an adoption cycle, which is where we check the data, then we pilot it with a number of staff, we collect data, both quantitative and qualitative data, and then we make the decision, should we roll it out? Never just roll it out to everybody all at the same time, especially without any professional development. Top tip number 5 is share successes, but also share mistakes. People need to know what's going well, but they also need to know where it's gone wrong, so they can avoid that, or they can help you problem solve those. If you keep to those top 5 tips, then AI will absolutely support teaching and learning in your school.